In this section, we are going to discuss the categories for property, plant, and equipment. So we'll start discussing what exactly is included in a plant asset. What are the requirements? For a plant asset to be classified as a plant asset, it should be currently used in operations. It should have a useful life that extends to 1 year beyond the balance sheet date. It has to be beyond the balance sheet date. It should have physical substance. That means it should be tangible. Intangible assets are not classified as plant assets because they do not have a physical substance. Land that is being held for future development is not a plant asset because it's not productive. It's a plot of land that's being sold and someone's going to buy it and put a Kroger on it, put a HEB on it. It's a future investment, future development. Not future investment, but it's future development. And it's not currently being productive. The only thing that's on there is just grass growing. So it's not a plant asset. The different categories are building, machinery, equipment. These are things that have a limited life and are depreciable. Every building, every machine, every equipment has limited life, and you always account depreciation on it. Land improvements have a finite useful life and are depreciated, which means that they have, once again, a limited useful life and are depreciated. This is the fencing around the land, this is the parking lot, this is the lighting, and this is landscaping. Land on its own is something that maybe has a trailer, maybe has an office building that supports the business operation. This has an infinite life and is not depreciated or amortized. Very important to remember, this is the only category in a plant asset that is not depreciated or amortized. Natural resources are oil wells, coal mines, gold mines, diamond mines. These are depletable assets, which means that eventually they're going to run out. Just like some people think fossil fuels will run out one day, the same exact way these are depletable assets. Assets that are held for sale are reported at net realizable value. This is just a secondary point to remember. They are not reported at historical value. It could be a trick question that's on the exam. They are only reported at net realizable value, not at historical value.